Today we're going to build a water pump powered boat. First we need styrofoam, straw, and plastic cup. Let's get started building. Ta-da! Here we have the boat made of styrofoam. And here there's a cup. We put some hot glue here. Then the straw. And it comes with a hole too. See? We make a hole. Can I help you? Yes. And it comes with 2 figures. So, here, we put a hole in the cup. The straw goes from here. Here, the straw is the turbo machine. Even the cup. The hole, uses to float the boat. And we throw the water from here, and it will go inside the straw hole. Let's try the boat out. Guys, let's go to the pond. Help me get the cup. Get this. That. Okay. Look what we have here. Wait. You guys. We need more water, guys. Okay, guys, let's start it. 3, 2, 1, go! Can you see it moving, guys? Can you see it? See? Now let's test it out. Later, we're going to have a race with it. Yep. That's it. Yeah, for race today. Nope, we're not having a race against you. Okay, are you ready, guys? We're going to have a race against this guy on his ship. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! I ran. Oh no! I ran. See, the water flows from this to here. So that makes the engine work. See?